Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own hand sanitizer at home. It's super easy, and you only need a few ingredients you might already have. Plus, it's a great way to ensure you're using a product that's safe and non-toxic for you and your family. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need aloe vera gel, isopropyl alcohol, and essential oils. Aloe vera is fantastic because it's moisturizing and soothing, making sure your hands don't dry out. The isopropyl alcohol is the germ-killing powerhouse here, and essential oils add a nice fragrance and some extra antibacterial properties. Ready? Let's get started. We're going to start with 2/3 of a cup of isopropyl alcohol. Now it's important to use at least 60% alcohol for this to be effective, so make sure you check the label. Pour this into a bowl. Next, add 1/3 of a cup of aloe vera gel. This is going to give our sanitizer that nice, thick consistency and keep your skin happy and hydrated. Mix it together until it's smooth. Now, for the fun part. Choose your favorite essential oil. I personally love lavender for its calming scent, but tea tree oil or eucalyptus are great options too. Add about 10 drops of your chosen oil. This is optional, but it makes your sanitizer smell amazing and can add some extra antibacterial benefits. Give it another good mix until everything is well combined. You'll know it's ready when it's nice and smooth with a consistent texture. Now we need to transfer our hand sanitizer into a container. I recommend using a small squeeze bottle or a pump dispenser, something that's easy to carry around and use on the go. Carefully pour or spoon your mixture into the container. And there you go. Your very own homemade hand sanitizer. Not only is this hand sanitizer effective at killing germs, but it's also gentle on your skin thanks to the aloe vera. Plus, it's free from harsh chemicals and fragrances, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Remember to use it just like you would any other hand sanitizer. Apply a small amount to your hands, rub them together until they're dry, and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed this DIY tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home remedy tips. Stay safe and stay healthy. See you next time.